Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new walk-in patient. Before we start, a new walk-in patient is defined as a patient who does not have an electronic file at the practice and has no booked appointment. Because this patient has walked into the practice, their booking status will immediately be marked as arrived. Please take note that your practice's booking types and statuses may differ as they are customizable. To learn how you can set up your own booking types and booking statuses, please refer to our user manual links in this video's description. For this video, we created a booking type called walk-in with the arrived booking status linked to it. From the diary screen, either double-click on the time slot or click on the new booking button in the top right corner. Please take note that the default Create Action button may differ as it is customizable. To learn how you can customize this button, please refer to our user manual link in this video's description. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. In the Type drop-down, select the Walk-in option. Because we chose the walk-in booking type, the booking status will automatically change to arrived. Ensure that the following information is completed and correct in the booking details section. The diary must be the diary of the doctor that the patient came in to see. The location is where the patient will be seen during this consultation. The date will automatically be set to today's date. The time will automatically be set to the time slot's time that you have selected or to the current time if you clicked on the new bookings button. The duration depends on the selected booking type's settings, however this can be changed. The treating doctor is the doctor that will be treating the patient. Type the reason for the patient's appointment. Select the applicable service center from the drop-down. Because this is an existing patient, you can leave the CRM drop-down as a blank. To clarify, the CRM drop-down allows you to inquire about how or where the patient learned about your practice. Please take note that you need to enable the CRM function in your settings. To learn how you can enable and set up your CRM settings, please refer to the user manual link in this video's description. Because this is a new patient and does not yet have an existing electronic file, we can skip the data patient search field. In order to create the booking quickly, complete the required fields in the data details section that are indicated by a red asterisk. This includes the patient's name, surname, cell phone number, ID number, and medical aid details. While the patient waits for the doctor, they can provide the rest of the information to fully complete their new file at the practice. Please take note that if the patient is different than the data, the patient's details needs to be completed under Patient Details. Click on the Save button to save the new patient's basic information to create a new electronic file. The Data Details screen will open. Here you can fully complete the new patient's information. To learn how you can update the data and patient information, please refer to our user manual link in this video's description. Now you can either click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving, or click on the Save button to save the new patient's walk-in booking. The new patient's walk-in booking will appear on the diary.